Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can set up recurring sales invoice on accounting. To set up recurring sales invoice, we need to go to sales section and click on invoices. Here we have a second tab called recurring templates. And to add a new recurring invoice, click here on New Recurring Invoice button. You can change company details here. That's your company details. In my case, I have my company details here. Next section is billing. We just adding information like we would add when we create an invoice. So select customer, limited in my case. Payment, you can select from drop-down list how many days you give this customer to pay for this invoice. We can add an order number if you have one and add an item. So I have candy bars and for example I have 500. Okay, add another line like I have shipping. And I can amend shipping costs here. Okay, and if you have discount, you can add discount there and change currency as well. You can provide more details in notes section if you require. And then we need to add a schedule. This is what will determine recurrence or frequency of your invoice. So this invoice in my case should be issued monthly. In your case it can be daily, weekly, yearly or custom. Create first invoice on, select date when first invoice need to be issued. In my case I will have 20th. And you have an option to select from free available options. Either it can end after and select how many invoices need to be issued. For example, if there is set amount, maybe 10 invoices or 12 or 6 invoices, or on, since there will be a date, particular date when this should finish and no more recurring invoices should be created. And never, that means that this is ongoing invoice and it will be issued until deleted or cancelled particular schedule. Okay, so I will say after 12 invoices. Under advanced section, you have notes to add in footer, select a category or create a new category and add an attachment if you want to provide one. Click Save. Okay, this is a recurring invoice number 3, showing by who been created, what is the schedule, and if you have issued any invoices, you will be able to see those here. And on your right hand side, this is a template of an invoice that will be distributed out to customer. So in this episode, I showed you how you can set a recurring invoice on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my accounting tutorial as well as review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.